Here are the solutions for the week 2 bell work. For day 1, question A, we have a binomial subtracting another binomial. This is done by subtracting the like terms. So 6x subtract 8x, 6 subtract 8 is negative 2x. And now the constant terms. Positive 5 subtract a positive 7, so 5 subtract 7 is negative 2. Question B, we have the monomial 3x, and it's being multiplied to a trinomial. This is done with the distributive property. Take the 3x, multiply it to the 3 terms in the parentheses. 3x times 2x squared is 6x cubed, and then 3x times 5x is positive 15x squared, and finally 3x times minus 4 is a negative 12x. Question C, a binomial being multiplied to another binomial. This is done using FOIL. X times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. The inner product is 5 times x, which is 5x. And last, 5 times 8 is positive 40. Because these two terms are like terms, they can be combined together. X squared plus 13x plus 40. I encourage you to skip this entire middle step right here and go directly to the final answer. And the way you do that is by doing your outer and inner product in your head. X times 8 is 8x, 5 times x is 5x, and then mentally combine those together. Question D, we have a binomial being squared. One way to do that is to write 2m minus 5 times another 2m minus 5, and then use FOIL. But it's going to be faster if you follow the shortcut pattern. 2m squared is 4m squared, and then minus the product of 2m and 5 is 10m, and if you double that, that's 20m. Then the 5 squared makes 25. If you were to take the time to write this out as 2m minus 5 times another 2m minus 5, and you did FOIL, think about what you'd be multiplying together. 2m times another 2m, that's the 4m squared. Your outer product would be 2m times the negative 5, which is negative 10m. But your inner product would also be negative 10m, and that would combine to the minus 20m. And the letter L in FOIL, that would be when you take the negative 5 and times to the other negative 5, and that would make the 25. So again, I encourage you to go directly to this final answer just in your head.